So I finally found the last hypercar to add to my hypercar trio, the Porsche 918 Spider. But unfortunately, it's in this super ugly blue, silver metallic color, and also it's gray on the bottom, unlike its brothers. So this video is going to show you how to separate the wheel from the bottom so you can paint it black. Okay, so first of all you want to separate the shell from the bottom. That's illustrated on my other video. Once that's apart, you can take off the interior and the window. And that leaves you with this piece here. And as you can see, the wheel is held down with 3 little clips. What you want to do is to clip this one right here. And try not to clip it too much, so when you put it back in, when you pop it back in, it would fit right back in and doesn't come out as easy. Okay, so the clip is removed now, and all you have to do is pop it out like that. See here? And the wheels come out just like this. And you can swap your wheels, you can put nicer wheels on with tires, and once you're done, you can just pop it back in place. You hear a click, and it's right in. If you want your wheels to stay on there forever, you can add a bead of super glue or glue gun on there. But even if you don't, once you pop it back in, the interior is going to hold it in there, just like this. And your wheels won't come off or anything. You can still roll it around perfectly fine.